You there. Learn how to set healthy emotional and physical limits in your relationships, and finally take control of your life by establishing strong personal boundaries. First off, let's talk about why setting boundaries and saying no is so essential. We live in a fast-paced world where it's easy to get overwhelmed with commitments. It's like we're on a never-ending treadmill, right? But here's the deal. Learning to say no is like putting on a superhero cape for personal growth. I used to be the ultimate yes person. I gave everything to the family. That was like my main focus. And at a certain point I realized, why haven't I put time into myself and time for myself? And then I overcorrected and I went far too selfish. And now I've found that balance. But the thing is, if you're always saying yes to every request, every invite, and every project, and you know what happens next, burnout city. That's when I realized that saying yes to everything was holding me back from reaching my full potential. Let's talk about why saying no is essential for personal growth and productivity. When you say no, you're reclaiming your time and energy. It's like decluttering your life. You can now focus on the things that truly matter, like your goals, your passions, and well-being. Now let's get practical. How do you become a pro at saying no? Here's a few simple tips to help with that. First, prioritize your priorities. Identify what truly matters to you. If an opportunity or request aligns yourself with your goals and values, then say yes. If not, it's a polite no. So basically, if there's a maybe, say no. If you don't want to do it, say no. But if it lines up with what you want to do, or if you feel like you'll regret missing out, then reevaluate if that missing out lines up with your goals. 2, practice saying no. Saying no can be uncomfortable at small requests and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. Remember, it's okay to decline politely. When someone asks for your immediate response, buy some time. Something like, let me check my schedule and I'll get back to you. This gives you space and it lets you go back and reevaluate your goals so you can make an informed decision. 4, be clear and honest. When you say no, be honest but gentle. Explain your reasons briefly and don't over apologize. Stand on what you say and mean it. And 5, offer alternatives. If you can't say yes, offer an alternative solution or suggest someone who might be able to help. Here's 2 examples. I'd love to help, but currently I'm working on a project that demands my full attention. I can't make it to the event this weekend, but I'd be happy to catch up next. Or a simple, no, I'm busy, will suffice. Now, to wrap things up, saying no is not about being rude or selfish. It's about taking control of your life, setting boundaries, and making room for personal growth and productivity. Put yourself first, value yourself. It's about protecting your time and energy like the valuable resource they are. I challenge you to start practicing the art of saying no. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to becoming the best version of ourselves. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Together we're on the path to self-improvement and personal growth. Until next time, remember, live a life led without regret and take care.